Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and I'm excited to share with you guys another Shopee find for you. So, I know that it's fast approaching a lot of the whole Christmas ideas, and I'm excited to share this because this is also given to me, but kind of in advance. So, let's get to the unboxing. I got this one, and it arrived today, and I'm actually so excited to open it because I haven't seen the shop, and technically when my aunt asked about this or asked me what I would want, I actually would like something that I would actually be able to recommend to other people as well, so that's why I wanted to test it out. And so far the reviews were actually great with this one, so I'm hoping it's still great as well. So let's just open it. Here it is. Okay, so here is it comes here. So it arrived in this kind of like the J&T plastic, the typical J&T plastic, and this is from Shopee. I did share the link to my aunt about this, so it's not really like a surprise for me. I know the color and everything, but I don't know what it looks like. So honestly, if you can see right here, I mean the color and everything, you can actually see that it's inspired. So there's a tag, which is really nice. So there's this beautiful tag, honestly. That's nice. I don't know how to read this, so yeah. Oh, by the way, everything I'll put in the link down below. And this is, it arrived in this, so not bad. And as you can see already, it's like a theme of like the toiletries. I don't know how to pronounce it properly. I'm sorry if I'm butchering it, but yeah, it's the theme of Dior when they had that idea, and it's really, really beautiful. It's actually a very nice trend right now. So here it is. I haven't seen what it looks like, okay? So like you can like see actually. Okay, I'm just looking at it right now, just like right now. Okay, it is such a pretty color, honestly. Oh, and it's like patent. That's how you call it, like patent. It's like patent leather. I don't know how you're gonna properly pronounce it, patent or patent, but it is so cute. I might remove this if I could, but maybe not. It's really gold. The hardware is really like pop out gold, like a crazy kind of gold, but it's still nice. I mean, I was hoping it was like a little toned down, but I'm actually okay with it. It pops more with this color. And look at that, it is so beautiful and shiny. It's a little, you know, not that straight, but I'm okay with that. And then let's see this one. So this one doesn't have like that tool proper embossed. So embossed or protrude out like that. It's not as thick of a handle, but it's the same as almost my other one, the other themed one. So it's really cute. And I like the size. The size is perfect for me. And it's a flap back. So we could just open it like that. And it comes with the long strap, which is here in gray. And it has a filler. So I actually really like about that because although it just came in like a simple package, I'm so happy that it was packed well. And I really, really love what it looks like. So here, and then we could just, I might not remove any more the packaging. I'll just check that there is a one pocket there. So as you can see, there's like one pocket there, and then there's no zipper pocket, so I'm good with that. And for sure this is gonna fit my phone. I am recording with my phone, so I can't really show you guys, but it does fit my phone, and it's actually a pretty good decent size. I mean, for the price, honestly, I have to recommend the price of this because this is such a great price, and it's local, so you'll get it quickly. So if you're gonna order it for someone, for like a gift for someone, then you'll be able to get it. And it has 4 feet, so it's kind of deformed right now, but honestly with a little bit of what's this, a little bit of formation, like putting it on a sturdy level, then I'm sure it's going to come back. But it's not that obvious, and honestly for the price, you can't really complain. I really, really like it. It's super cute, and the color is super cute as well. I've been thinking of adding a color like this because it's really different, plus it's patent, so it's going to be different from my other colored bags. So here it is. I hope you like this video. I'm gonna put down the link. Honestly, I want to thank you to my aunt for this. I am not going to mention her name, but I am really thankful about this. And right, like I said, I'm just gonna put on some other wish lists as well, maybe on the next video, like another wish list of what bags I would like and then I would like to try. And then please comment down on it if you really want me to try those, and I will. And let me know as well if you want me to make another video. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!